Hello, welcome to today's video, guys. How are you? How is the weekend taking you? Today is a weekend, it's a Saturday, and I hope you guys are well. So welcome to today's vlog. This is what we are cooking. Cook dinner with us. Yes, this is the greens. We are cooking the greens. Let's on our gas without wasting time. Lala na wewe lala. Yes, this is what we're having today. Greens and ugali. This is the tomatoes. It's just simple greens and yeah, just simple. And also we are going to put milk in these greens. Yes, I'll take you through the process of cooking it and putting milk. Yeah, so for now I want it to boil, and then later on I'll take you through all the process of cooking it with the milk, frying first and then putting milk later, and then cooking ugali. And then also I want to cook porridge for my baby because my baby is under medication, so there's that medicine that they put in porridge, then he takes it with porridge. So I'll take you through the process. Yeah, so make sure you stay tuned. Yeah, subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you. Well, our greens is ready. You can see that it's actually ready. It's hot. Our greens is ready. So now the process, we are going to fry it. Yeah, now don't worry about the saucepan. Me, I don't change saucepan when I'm cooking the burgers. I don't. If that is the saucepan that I used to boil it, I just fry it with same saucepan because I want that aroma to remain nice. Yeah, so here we have our tomatoes, and I'm going to slice it right away. Yeah, and here is the onions. Yeah, I decided to buy this one because it tastes nice. Yeah, tastes nice, and I like it so much in the greens. But because it's not that easy to get it, to find that the that onions, that green onions, it's not that easy to find it. So we go ahead and put our cooking oil in the saucepan. Yes, that is okay. As just as easy as that, as just as simple as that. And we on our gas. Yeah, and we go ahead and put our salt like usual. I normally cook my vegetables, anything that I cook I normally cook with the onions with the salt in it. Me, that is how I do mine. I just like it like that so that it will get nicely to the onions and then to the rest of the food. Yeah, so you guys, how is the weekend taking you? I hope you guys are catching up nicely. Yeah, it's Saturday and it's a weekend. Yeah, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe. It's not that costly for you to subscribe. Just take a second of your time to subscribe. And for the new people who are new here, my beautiful name is Susan. I am Susan. You can call me Susie, you can call me Susanna, you can call me Sue. Yes, all those are my names. You can call me by those names. Yes. You might be wondering, what is the name of this lady? I am Susan. Yes. And that is what we are cooking. I love it like that. I love it that way. Our onions is getting ready. Yes. Our onions is getting ready. Like ready. So remember these greens. So with that, I am going to go ahead and put the tomatoes. Yes, the tomato is there. Yeah. With that, lower the flame. I've already lowered the flame because I love my tomatoes to cook nicely. And go ahead and put the Royco cube. I love Royco cube because it brings the greens will bring out the nice taste. Yes, like that. Just one is okay. Remember, this Royco cube actually has salt in it, so you be careful. If you put too, your food is going to be so salty. Yeah. So these greens, you see how it is going? This is actually Miranda and terere and kunde. Yes, the traditional greens. Yes. Forget about these other things that have come these days, say blah blah, but this is the traditional greens. Yes. That one they plant it straight away. And even it's preservable. You can preserve it. You can get it, boil it. After boiling it, and after boiling it, after boiling it, dry it, drain the water and dry it, and keep it in a safe place for the future use. Because I remember my mom is actually plant this kunde, and when it is ready in the garden to be harvested, we harvest the leaves, the greens first, and then we dry. Even you can dry it like that without boiling. Yeah, it's all okay. Even you can boil it, because in the village we normally chew it even like that without cooking. So yeah, that is how it is. This is the milk that we are going to put in the greens. Today we want to have Miranda with milk. Yeah, you can see that. Milky. This is what we are going to put in the Miranda. Yeah. It's gonna be nice, tasty, yummy. With milk and ugali. We go ahead and shake our tomatoes. Yeah, that is the tomatoes. The tomatoes is getting ready. The tomatoes is getting ready, but not that enough ready. Yeah. Let's get back in a few minutes. So, our porridge. The porridge actually is cooking. As we shake our tomatoes again. So make sure, guys, you subscribe. Get yoga to 4,000 wash hours. Yes, guys, get me also to 4,000 wash hours. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Please make sure you watch the video till the end. That I would really appreciate you guys. I love you so much, because You're the best ever. You guys, if you got me from 1,000 subscribers, you guys got me from 1 subscriber to 4,000 subscribers. 4,000, yes. You got me from that to that. So that means you guys mean a lot to me. You guys are the best. I really love you guys. So our tomatoes is ready. As our porridge also is getting ready. Can you see that? So we go ahead and put our greens straight away. Guys, this is how I cook my mrenda. I cook it this way. Yeah, mix it. Yeah, mix it. Go ahead and mix it nicely. Mix it. You can mix any way you want. Either you want to be turning it like this, but for me, I love mixing mrenda like this because it takes time for it to get mixed with the spices. So you mix it nicely. Go ahead and mix it nicely. There's no need of you guys buying mrenda from the hotel or things like that. You don't need that. This is just a very simple greens to make at home. So after that, you can see boiling already. We go ahead and put our milk. Put the milk and then mix it again. Mix it again like that. Can you see they are mixing? Mix it. This is what they normally sell in actually even in supermarkets, in hotels. What they sell you, they tell you that, oh, it's not easy to make it, things like that. This is something that you can make at your home. Very easy, very nice, very simple, just like that. This is something that you can make at your home. All you need is just to go out there and buy your greens, come home, make it ready, wash it, slice, chop it, cut it into small pieces, like you can see this one, into small pieces, and then boil it. Make sure you have the softener. You can either use the baking soda, the baking powder, not baking soda, sorry, the baking powder, or magadi or mwera. Yeah, all that is okay. You can use that, but as long as you don't use a lot of it. Yeah. Or if you don't know how to make it, your neighbor knows how to make it. We just add a small pinch of salt so that it can be tasty. Yeah. So this is it. This is it actually. This is our mrenda. This is our greens. Now it's just remaining to cook ugali and swallow it nicely. Guys, if you see how mrenda goes with ugali, now it's okay. Lower the heat and let it cook like that. Yeah, let it cook like that. And kindly subscribe, that is if you haven't yet, because you guys are the best ever. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Make sure you share the video, and then the most important thing is for you guys to comment on my videos also. Just comment so that like, so that YouTube can actually recommend my videos also to the bigger audience. Yeah, guys, please get your girl to 4,000 wash hours. Yeah. Our porridge is ready. So let's check what is. Oh wow, nice, guys, it's ready. Yeah, let's just off with the flame. Oh my god, it's ready. Let me check at that. Let me remove this. It's actually showing funny. But don't worry. So this is the mrenda, actually. Ready, nice, and tasty. Wow. Yeah. I wish I take a look at that. So that is all for now. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope you watched how I was cooking it. So next time you try yours. So thank you so much. Kindly subscribe. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Comment to this video so that my video also can be recommended to other people. Yes, thank you. So let's make ugali. Just simple little ugali. Yeah, our water is boiling. You can see that. Our water is boiling, 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 boiling. Ugali is here. Ugali, ugali, cooking ugali, ugali, ugali. Our ugali is here. Yeah, I'm still mingling it so that the flour can all be pressed. I mean, can all be cooked. So our ugali is ready. Yeah. So go ahead and put it in a plate so you can see it there. Yeah. Thank you. See you on the next one.